Okay, welcome back guys. So in part one, you saw us generate these two models here using AI, and now we're gonna get these things into the slicer and start prepping them for printing. Let's jump into it. Okay, so we've got Bambu Studio open. So we're gonna start by importing our model. As you can see, there is some issues, so we can run a repair on this real quick. All right, now that the model is repaired, we're gonna go ahead and lay this on the feet so that it's the right way up. Now, I've got a feeling because of the rounded surface under here, it's going to try and chuck some support around this area. So I think a really simple and easy way for us to get a nice flat surface will be just to cut those feet off at the bottom. So we can go ahead and select our model, then use the cut tool here. We can drag this down until we get it to a position that we want. So I think somewhere around here should be good. Then we can perform the cut. So we can go ahead and select the feet and remove those. Now, as you can see, it's still really a little bit too small for what we want. So select your model, then come to your scale up here and make sure uniform is on because we want this to scale globally. And then we can go ahead and select what our dimensions are that we want. So I'm gonna go for around 23 centimeters. Boom, there you go. You can see he's a lot bigger now, but obviously he's out of bounds on the build plate. So we can go ahead and select the model and auto arrange it. So that looks really, really good. Next up, we need to address the supporting regions. So you can see we've got some floating areas here, floating areas here. So obviously the printer can't just print on air. So we need to go into our support setting, enable supports. I'm gonna use tree supports for this one. And we can go ahead and mess with our top C distance just to make them a little bit easier to remove. I'm gonna go with a 0.2, see how we go with that. I'm gonna stick with a 0.16 layer height as well. And I'm just gonna drop down the infill just to make this a little bit quicker. So we're just gonna reduce that down to 10%. And hopefully, if I've done everything right, we can run the slice. Okay, so you can see the slice was successful. And yeah, let's go get this thing printing. All right, so for this project, we're gonna be using Raw3D's Chameleon Nebula Purple. This is one of the new filaments that we've just got in, and I think this is gonna be perfect for the project. I mean, like, look at that color, it's crazy. All right, let's get this thing loaded up on the printer.